Hey, today I'm introducing a new truck that I traded my 2018 Cadillac ATS for. It has a 2.3 4-cylinder engine with a nice little turbocharger and intercooler. It's the same engine they put in the Mustang EcoBoost. It's an EcoBoost 2.3 in a 2020 Ford Ranger. And as you can see right now, there's the intake tube. This little thing is where the intake gets its air, and it looks pretty small, so that's something I can improve upon. And of course, walking around, the factory exhaust. Got a pretty, restrictive little muffler there. Wonder what else it's got underneath. Let's see here. Okay, big boat anchor muffler. That can go bye-bye. I think the other one by the tip is a resonator. But there's the big boat anchor that can go bye-bye and give me some good, better fuel economy, because, I took a trip and I was averaging 80 miles an hour, and I was getting about 21.5 miles per gallon, which is not really bad, but I think it can do a lot better by restricting the factory exhaust restricts its flow a lot, and I believe I can improve upon that and improve its economy, low-end torque, and overall power. More power, less pedal. That's the way I kind of like to see it. And as you can hear, kind of sounds like a whisper. I like a little bit more whoom with my turbo engine. So we can expect to see me improve upon this factory deal here. A lot of things I like to do too is take off that cover. Take off the hood cover right there to give it a little bit more cooling on the top of the engine. Every little bit helps. Alright, well, this is the starting video on this 2020 Ford Ranger EcoBoost Lariat. And I like what the interior has to offer. It's really nice. Interior is really nice. Nice leather, 4 doors. Plenty of room for 5 people. Of course, I put one of my nice little gauges on there to improve things. And it looks like I need to reset it again. There we go. Alright. Got my little Banks 1.8 iDash, which shows boost, RPMs, engine coolant temperature, intake manifold temperature, intake air temperature, exhaust temperature, ignition timing, and boost air density. Those are the 8 settings I put on my iGauge for this vehicle. And I believe those are some of the best to do, because the factory gauges, they give you a fuel gauge, and a couple other little things, miles per gallon, direction. They really don't have that many good factory gauges that can be shown at one time. I mean, you can choose not to see your fuel economy and trip meter. You can go look at your speed, tire pressure, distance to empty, RPM, and coolant temp. Well, I can get all of that right here and leave this into the either fuel economy mode, or I can go into trip, which I like trip. Every time I fill up my gas tank, I reset the trip meter, miles per gallon, and how many miles I run, and then I can actually get accurate readings for my fuel economy. So that's how I kind of do it. And hopefully you like this video, introduction to my 2020 Ford Ranger 2.3 EcoBoost 4-cylinder, turbo intercooled. Please subscribe and like and all that good stuff. And remember, mad boosting.